Okay, on this question, we have this function 3x sine x cosine x, and we want to take the derivative and then plug in 2 after we get the derivative. Well, what we're going to need to do, this is three functions of x multiplied together. So that means we're going to need to use the product rule. The product rule says they take turns. So the 3x will go first. What's derivative of 3x? It's just 3 because there's a 1 power, invisible 1 power, multiplies the 3, and then you subtract 1 from the power, x to the 0, it's 1, it's gone. And then just the other two parts, whoops, just stay as they are unchanged. Plus, now the 3x, now it's going to be the middle guy's turn. So the front and the back stay as they are. Derivative of sine x is cosine x, and the other cosine of x stays as it is. This makes sense what's happening. So we did the first part. There's three terms here. Did the first one, 3x became 3. The other two stay as they are. Then it's the second one's turn. Derivative of sine is cosine. The other two stay as they are, front and the back. And now it's the last one. So the 3x in the front and the sine x stay as they are. And now it's the derivative of cosine, which is what? Negative sine. Derivative of all cofunctions are negative, like that. So they take turns. There's three of them. The first one went first, then the second one, then the third one, right? Those are all derivatives. That was the derivative, and the derivative. They just take turns. The first one goes first, the other two stay as they are. Then the second one goes, the front and the back stay as they are. Then the third one goes, the front and the middle stay as they are. And that's it. I mean, they factored in this answer, but whatever, whatever. You don't need to do that. If it bugs you having that negative there, then it might be nice to go, okay, I'm going to go 3 sine x cosine x plus 3x. Better. Oh, yeah, cosine x times cosine x, that's cosine squared x. You can do, you don't have to. And then this, oh, this is going to be negative, huh? Because positive stuff times negative stuff is negative 3x, and then that's sine squared x, like that. So you can do that. They left it cosine, cosine, sine, sine. That's fine. Whatever. It doesn't matter. That's a fine answer. And then final part, take that derivative now and plug in 2. So what does that mean? It means we're going to come up here. We're going to plug in a 2, 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 plug in a 2. Make sure you're in radian mode because whenever we plug into a trig function in calculus, we're in radian mode unless it specifically says degrees. Make sure you're in radian mode and you'll get that number. And so that's how we do that. The product rule.